Last night, 35,000 people found out there's nothing bad at all about Jackson's bad tour. After making a spectacular entrance with his backing singers, he set the crowd roaring with an old favourite. With a combination of fancy footwork and a laser light show, Jackson dazzled his fans in a 2-hour performance. Despite the big crowd, there were no problems at the alcohol-free show. Once again, there'll be strict security to protect Jackson and his fans tonight. Brisbane is the next stop of this so-called bad tour.